Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have given an expression 3 minus 3 divided 3. So let's start with today's video solution. So where this type of expression given, here we have to follow order of operation, which says that first you have to solve bracket if given, then of, then division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. So here we have given two symbols, that is subtraction and division. So as per BODMAS rule or PEMDAS or PEMDAS rule, we have to first given priority to division. So we can write 3 minus 3 divided 3 and then divided 3. So 3 minus 3 divided 3 is 1, divided 3. Again, we have two operations left, that is subtraction and division. So we will give priority to division. So we will write 1 divided 3. Now, in between 3 and 1 by 3, there is an subtraction. So if there is an addition and subtraction, we have to take LCM of the denominator. Here denominator is 1 and 1 and 3 LCM is 3. So it becomes 3 times 3 minus 1. So that is 9 minus 1 by 3, which is equals to 8 by 3. Or in terms of mixed fraction, you can write 2 whole 2 by 3. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and if you have any doubt, you can comment down below.